Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over what is a sub account on GoHighLevel. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are wondering whether they need more than 3 sub accounts. Now looking at the pricing options here, you'll see that the starter plan starts at $97 a month and the unlimited plan starts at $297 per month. And with the unlimited plan, you get unlimited sub accounts, whereas the starter plan, you only get up to 3 sub accounts. So what is a sub account? Now is basically an individual account on GoHighLevel. So this right here counts as one account. Okay, this is one CRM account. So you can see here on the left side, we have our dashboard. If I were to click this drop down menu right over here, you can see that I only have one sub account attached here. So right now this is blurred out just because I don't want you to see the address or I'm naming the business that I'm associated with. But you can see here that there's also a search function for this in which you're allowed up to 3 with the $97 a month plan. Whereas with the unlimited plan, you will have unlimited sub accounts. So here you can switch between your different sub accounts and they'll each have their own dashboard, their CRM system, their marketing system, website, etc. So as far as deciding whether to go with the $97 a month plan or the unlimited plan, if you're only using GoHighLevel for just one of your businesses and you don't have more than 3, probably just go with the starter plan. But if you have more than 3 businesses or you plan on running GoHighLevel for clients, you'd probably want to start with the $297 a month plan. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain what sub accounts are. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.